Also, in the transition to a low-emission future, lubricants determine our modern life. A must for a smooth mobility. New technologies do not leave any crude oil substances unused. Only the best for our customers, right from the start. Research and development lead to better solutions. Technical expertise and innovative thinking are perfect conditions for lubricants of the highest quality. With our oils, engines can develop their full potential for lower consumption and reduced emissions, for best motor protection and highest performance, and a long operating life. We stand for a promise. Technology that pays off.
We think in pictures.